Welcome once again to Good Motive Academy on YouTube. All right, so if you are watching my YouTube for the very first time, you can do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you can get information. Please turn on the notification button by clicking the notification bell button. And also, you can send me messages on my YouTube channel and I will reply you regards anything you want to know more or have more information about. All right, or even if you want to make a purchase from my store, you will get all the information there. All right, today I'll be showing you how you can make money from creating YouTube thumbnails. How you can make money by creating YouTube thumbnails. And what are thumbnails? Thumbnails are simply cover text and pictures that you can use as for your YouTube channels. All right, so that means that if somebody goes to your YouTube channel, the first thing that we see will be the picture of what you are talking about or describing and the text that is with it, okay, attached with it. So that is what is called a thumbnail. Okay, so let me show you an example of what the thumbnail is. Okay, so let me see some of my projects I've already done before. All right, so you can see, for example, look at this very one. You see, increase your YouTube views and subscribers in minutes. This one was done using a thumbnail. Now you can make money from this by creating various thumbnails for people that don't know how to do it, and then they will be paying you for that. You charge them to create thumbnails for them. You can charge them as much as 10,000 naira to create a thumbnail, depending on how the thumbnail is. You can charge them, all right, to create the thumbnail. All right, now you can use thumbnails not only for YouTube. You can use it for Facebook, you can use it for TikTok, you can use it for Instagram. Okay, you can use thumbnails for so much on social media. Okay, so now how do you create thumbnails? These are my thumbnails that I've created right over time. You can see them here. You can see this watch TV using watch TV, use fan without NEPA. Okay, latest tech. So once somebody logs in into your page, whether your Facebook, your YouTube, whatever social media that he wants, the person logs in, this is what he will see first before he clicks on it. Then if it's a video, an explanatory video, or a whiteboard animation which is also explanatory videos, then the person will now watch, but you firstly see this before watching. So this is what is called the thumbnail. All right, so how do you create things like this, all right, for your YouTube? All right, so what you do, let me walk you through that. Now you go to Google Play Store. Just go to your Google Play Store. All right, so on your Google Play Store, you see this very app here, this one called the thumbnail maker. All right, now let's quickly go to our Play Store. All right, so on Play Store you can search for thumbnail maker. So you search. Okay, try again. Okay, so let me change my source of data. Maybe it's network issue. Said you are offline. Okay, so I will try that. I want to try it again. Okay, so you search for thumbnail maker. Now you see it here. You can see the thumbnail maker here. All right, know that There are different thumbnail makers, but I have used this one extensively and it's working very well for me, so that is why I'm still sticking with it. There are different thumbnail makers, but look at this very well, the graphics. This is one I use and this one I'll be teaching you today. All right, so you download this very one. Okay, for me, I've already downloaded it, so I don't have to download. You install this very one into your phone. The minute you install it into your phone, it will be like this here. It will be like this. Okay, it will be like this here. You can see it here. Okay, let's go back again. It will be like this here. This is how you see it. Then you tap on it. So immediately taps on it, it opens to this first page. All right, this first page, what you do is to look at this first option, which is thumbnail maker. All right, thumbnail maker. You click on the thumbnail maker. All right, so it gives you option of what you want to do. You can decide to share your page into two. All right, by using any of this format that is here. All right, these are just different styles. Okay, you can decide to share the page into three. All right, whatever pattern you want, you create it there. Let's say, for example, you want to use uh, just a single face like this. Okay, which is this very one here. All right, what you do is, firstly, you tap on this camera icon that is here. All right, so you tap on it, so it takes you to your gallery, your picture gallery. Okay, so it takes you to your picture gallery, where you have to look for the picture that you want to use. Okay, let's say it's these glasses that I want to sell. Okay, or that I want to push. Okay, for the very video I want to make on YouTube. Or you ask the person who has given you the job to send you the pictures of what he or she wants to use. But if the person says he or she doesn't have the picture, then let the person tell you, describe the give you a description. Sorry about that. Give you a description of what he or she wants. Then you can go to Google and look for the images of what the person is talking about. Then show the person if it's okay. Then before you can bring in that picture, you download that picture and you can use it here for the thumbnail. Okay, so thumbnails are still pictures. They are not motion pictures. They are still pictures. That is, they don't move. Okay, so they are like this. All right, so now let's say this is the what you want to create. You just tap on that item, so you see it takes you here. All right, takes you here. You can resize it by putting your two fingers on it and increase or reduce it, depend on your choice. Okay, depend on what you want to create. Okay, so you put this here. Then after putting the picture, before you can add a text, now look at this option here, T. All right, is for text. All right, so you tap on T. All right, so you see the text here. Now it takes you to your text page. What you do here is to type. Okay, so you can type and say this. Okay, you can say cat eyes glasses affordable. Okay, or you say affordable cat eye glasses. Okay, or you say cat eye glasses made, or you just put only the name, whatever the person wants to describe, whatever the person wants to say, you just put it there. And when you are done, you tap the OK button that is beside here, or this sign button that is here. You tap on it. All right, so you see it brings it here. Now you can adjust it wherever, however you like. You can adjust it. You can even change the font color by tapping on any of these fonts that you see here and these designs that you see here. Okay, so if it's, for example, this one, you just tap on this, it changes to this. Now you can adjust this one also. You can adjust the size, you can adjust where you position it. Okay, now you can add more text if you want to. All right, you can add more text. All right, so you can say beautiful, beautiful. So all right, so you can add more text. You can even change the color of the second text. You can adjust it, position it wherever you like. Okay, so when you are done, you just tap the this button here. Okay, you tap this button here, the check button. All right, so you see it saved. All right, so it will be saved automatically. All right, then you say okay. Now this one is already settled. That is how you can create a thumbnail. All right, for your videos, okay, that you want to use on your social media platforms. Now, where do you advertise that you are a thumbnail creator, so that people can reach you and be making money? Now you can go to upwork.com. You just look for upwork.com on YouTube, on Google. All right, you go to upwork.com. all right, Upwork. So once you type Upwork, you can see it here. Upwork. All right, so you go to upwork.com. All right, you register on Upwork. Okay, you register on Upwork. So after registering on Upwork, you can see it. You choose the category that you want to be selling your product here on Upwork. So you leave it there. People will contact you if they need you to create the thumbnail. All right, so you can also run your own personal advert on Facebook, that you are a thumbnail creator, you are a video editor, whatever your skills that you have, you can run them there, and some of them will pay you in dollars, because they will not be in your country of residence, which is for me now Nigeria. Okay, they will pay you in foreign currencies. All right, you can on upwork.com, that is where you can sign up. All right, you sign up here, follow the procedure, sign up on Upwork. All right, and um, start making money. All right, I told you that for a for a for a simple YouTube thumbnail, you can make as much as 5,000 naira, and it won't take you anything less than 10 minutes, 15 minutes. You are already done with creating simple thumbnail. All right, so if you find this useful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I have even more to information to give us. All right, I have even more information to give us. Yes, yeah, thank you so much for joining me on this YouTube channel. Like I said, like I've always said, that bad ideas and bad people will always thrive, because good people sat back and did nothing. Don't be among those good people that sat back and did nothing about bad ideas. Make a change today. God bless you.